Actress Kriti Sanon wore a fashionable neon outfit by a famous global designer David Cormer. The high-fashion short dress featured one full-length sleeve, a corset-style bodice and a self-pleated design. But the USP of this dress was definitely the cutout details at the torso and the shoulder. To elevate her noteworthy attire, Kriti opted for a pair of black thigh-high boots. Her curated jewelry included a couple of metal rings. The actress flaunted a glossy makeup look with flushed cheeks, subtle eye makeup, dark brows, and tinted gloss on lips. Kriti styled her hair in a messy hair bun that allowed her eye-catchy outfit to take center stage. The actress wore a risky outfit and went ultra-glam with her makeup, and the result was simply sensational. The actress also took to Instagram to share impeccable pictures of her look for the night. Kriti flaunted her curves in a satin blue gown with midriff-bearing cutout details. The collared bralette-inspired bodice and front slit-pleated skirt of the gown were held together with a metallic hoop. The diva styled the midnight blue outfit with a sparkling pair of earrings, a stack of dazzling diamond bracelets and bejeweled heels. While her outfit and accessories oozed oodles of oomph, her makeup and hairstyle took it up by a notch. She boldly flaunted smoky eyes, defined brows, beaming highlighter, glossy lips and slick back hair. Kriti was dressed in an intrinsic Kura maxi dress. The monochromatic tube dress featured a lightweight skirt, a sweetheart neckline, double cutouts, a hand-pleated plus ruched bodice, and a back zipper. Kriti accessorized her 16,000 rupees satin outfit with a plethora of gold rings and hoop earrings. The actress kept her glossy brown hair in a loose braid for the evening out and accentuated with a brown smoky eyes, nude lips, and ivory-colored nails to match her attire. Kriti Sanon posted a couple of gorgeous photos of herself shining bright like the sun. Kriti Sanon was looking so stunning and Kriti to make her fans crazy with her new look. The actress is looking ravishing in the white 6-yard sari from the shelves of designer Ranbir Mukherjee. It's a Thankashwari sari spree for the actress. Undoubtedly she is shining brighter in these pictures. The actress wore the 6 yards in traditional style and pleated the pallu on the shoulder. An embellished bralette-style blouse featuring a plunging neckline and sequin work on the hem completed the outfit. Kriti Sanon wore a sari that just looked absolutely perfect on her lean figure. Kriti Sanon's ice blue sari was a simple yet striking pick for the event. It had a sleek border and a lovely flow. The actress styled her blue sari with subtle jewelry and naturally blow-dried hair. The blouse of the sari though made all the difference in her look. Kriti Sanon accessorized the 6 yards and matching blouse with oxidized silver earrings, embellished bracelets, and embroidered juttis. Lastly, she chose shimmering eyeshadow, pink lip shade, sleek eyeliner, mascara on the lashes, darkened brows, blue bindi and center-parted open tresses for the glam pics. Kriti Sanon teamed up her plain sari with a silk-padded blouse that came with strappy sequin details. Kriti Sanon wore diamond jewelry to finish her look with subtle makeup. Kriti looked stunning in a georgette sari and a bralette blouse. For a recent event, Kriti Sanon was seen all dolled up in sexy red gown. The gown features plunging neckline and a slit that goes up to her thighs. Kriti Sanon added a vintage charm to this ravishing attire. For glam pics, Kriti Sanon went with smoky eyeshadow, perfect brows, red bold lips, sparkly highlighter, sharp contour and sleek eyeliner. To complete the outfit, Kriti Sanon opts for only diamond neckpiece that matched with her outfit beautifully. Kriti Sanon served one of her best looks in a black and white jumpsuit with caped sleeves and an off-shoulder neckline. She donned an off-shoulder jumpsuit with caped sleeves and looked like a dream. It also has an off-the-shoulder square neckline, white-colored long sleeves, a short overlay extending on the back to form floor-sweeping capes, and a black bodycon jumpsuit with flared hems. Kriti styled the chic ensemble with pointed silver stilettos, statement silver rings and embellished silver ear studs in a round shape. A sleek back top bun with a few strands sculpting one side of her face rounded up the hairstyle with the jumpsuit. In the end, Kriti chose sleek black eyeliner, subtle smoky eyeshadow, mascara on the lashes, dewy base, blushed cheeks, beaming highlighter, sharp contouring, glossy nude pink lip shade, and on-fleek brows for the glam pics. Kriti Sanon took to Instagram and shared photos of her wearing a stunning pink-colored ruffle mini dress. Flawlessly styled by Sukriti Grover in House of Amon's mini bubblegum pink dress, Kriti showed us how to party in style. This one-shoulder bodycon dress boasted a ruche detail as well. It featured a single shoulder with ruffles around the neckline and running down the length. She paired the outfit with nude-toned pointed pumps and stone-studded hoop earrings. Kriti went with bronzed glow for makeup and tied her hair in a sleek ponytail. Kriti Sanon shares latest photoshoot dressed in an ultra-glamorous hot pink gown. The ensemble was from the shelves of the clothing brand TSKAFF. Kriti looked like a modern Barbie in the gown that hugged her svelte frame flawlessly. The backless number featured a halter neck design and a sultry thigh-high slit. The gown entailed a baby pink base that was heavily doused with hot pink sequins all over. Styled by Sukriti Grover, the actress completed her magnificent look with a minimal pair of diamond danglers, a statement ring and pink metallic gladiator heels. She pulled her tresses back into a sleek high, wavy ponytail with a side parting. She opted for a soft glam makeup look with pink shimmery, smoky eyes, filled-in brows, mascara-laden lashes, dewy base, pink peach nude lipstick and a dash of highlighter. Kriti raised the hotness quotient a notch higher in nude pink bustier thigh-high slit dress. She looked extremely gorgeous. Kriti Sanon, carrying elegance and poise, wore a show-stopping pastel gown recently. The strappy gown was from the clothing brand Ardnavik and featured a plunging neckline, corset at the waist and a dramatic thigh-high side slit. Adding up the glam factor to the gown were cut-out details at the side. The diva accessorized the look with dangling earrings, rings and a pair of strappy heels from Aldo. She completed her look in a middle-parted low bun with a few short strands framing her face. And for makeup, she chose dewy makeup with subtle eye makeup, lip gloss and shimmering eyelids. Kriti Sanon has posted a super hot photo in a red dress and fans cannot stop pouring love. Kriti is a glam queen in a little red dress. The reigning actress took to her social media to share images of her bling look as she stunned in a little red dress, shining bright like a diamond. Kriti donned the look for Karan Johar's birthday party last night and stole the show in her little red dress looking like a glam goddess. Actress Kriti Sanon was recently seen walking the ramp in the dress of Tarun Tihalani at Lakme Fashion Week. During this, Kriti's look has been making a lot of headlines. Actress Kriti Sanon walked the ramp in a black dress, everyone's eyes were on her confident style. Talking about the look of Kriti Sanon, she wore a black skirt top while doing a rap walk at Lakme Fashion Week. During this, where the actress carried a bralette tube top, the netted skirt below was giving Kriti a very hot look. Along with this, her dress was given a wing look at the back, which Kriti carried on both her hands. She carried only long crystal-looking earpieces in the name of accessories. Kriti did minimal makeup during this time with dark eye makeup. With this, Kriti's open hair was giving her a very refreshing look. Kriti looked beautiful in this black dress by Tarun Tihalani. Kriti's showstopper ensemble features a strapless black bustier with a plunging sweetheart neckline. It features structured draping all over, sheer paneling, asymmetric hemline, shimmering embellishments, and a bodycon silhouette. A matching textured dupatta came attached on the back of the bustier, which the actor draped on her arms. Kriti wore the bustier with a bodycon skirt that had a mermaid-like silhouette, flow grazing train, shimmering embellishments, a sheer panel on the side, and a high-rise waistline. She rounded off the look with dangling layered earrings adorned with gemstones and matching stilettos. In the end, Kriti opted for a back-swept and wet hair look, nude pink lip shade, flowing skin, winged eyeliner, kohl-adorned eyes, subtle smoky eyeshadow, mascara-laden lashes, sharp contouring and blush cheeks to complete the glam pics. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.